Hey, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, here with Hungry Mom. Where are you visiting from, Mom?
I am coming from Arizona. I'm in California, and I'm having a blast eating all this delicious food.
Yes. Today we're trying something else from Trader Joe's. Now, Mom, I have a surprise for you because everybody knows you love hot dogs, but what else do you love?
I love olives.
Olives! So we have Trader Joe's colossal, that means very large, olives, hand stuffed with garlic cloves.
Oh, wow.
They're hand stuffed.
I hope that person washed their hands.
Me too.
Oh.
We're gonna try one of these.
They're huge.
They're colossal. Try this.
That's what colossal
Now
means.
we like olives are pretty healthy.
Wow.
Let's try these. These are green. Usually you like black olives,
I like
right?
black
So what are you thinking? Are you nervous?
No, I like green olives usually.
Okay, good. Whoa!
It's the best.
Wow.
If I had that in my house, I would eat the whole jar.
Well, they're only 15
I'm
calories.
obsessed.
Wow, they're 15 calories per serving. So what do they taste like?
A green olive with garlic.
Oh, well, that
It
makes
does.
sense.
It's very true to taste.
From Trader Joe's. If you've passed by these on the shelves, don't do that again. Pick them up and buy them. They are totally worth it. Want another one?
Yes.
Okay.
I was waiting for that. 1, 2, 3,
1, 2,
go.
3, go.
Leave them here, Lisa.
I was gonna say, you want to take them home?
I think they're the best green olives I ever tasted.
Hey, if you love content like this, make sure you follow me for more.